So how do you resize a PDF on the Android phone? So let me talk about it. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course, inside of our built-in tools, we can use the app, like the file browser, to get to some PDFs and so on. But not many apps can actually make some significant changes to the PDF. The one I would recommend you to check out to make edits is the PDF editor app, which is looking like this. So it's called PDF Gear. This is the one which I would recommend you to get, because using this we can get the most job done. So if you then go to your files, look up any PDF, you can tap on it and open it up through the PDF Gear like this, and you will have the ability to make some changes. So when you click on edit, you can annotate on top of it, but you can also organize pages, fill and assign, or also edit. And when you click on edit, you can kind of resize some different things, right? And you can also play around with the different elements which are part of that, right? So you can delete stuff or move it somewhere else and so on, right? So it is definitely something which you sort of can do if you would want it to, or it kind of depends on the PDF type, but that's essentially how you can do it the best way, if you ask me. If you meant changing the size in terms of making sure the PDF is smaller, then you can also use an app which is going to be the PDF Compress app. And that one is essentially, I'm going to shrink the size of the PDF. So something like this will essentially grab one PDF and it will export it in a smaller size, which is going to reduce the file size, but it will keep the quality somewhat usable. So that's another thing you can utilize. But let me know in the comments below if that is exactly what you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later.